Yo, hello my people, this is Ziomek, and today I'm watching more Robot Chicken. I really like the show. Short 11-minute episodes, tons of fun. It just goes by so fast. It's like quick cut of funny references and stupid jokes. And these stupid jokes are funny, so let's watch more. I feel like I can smell my cat's piss. Shit, okay. Thank God it's only 11 minutes. I'll check it after that. It's only 10 and something, so let's go. But it doesn't feel good. She likes to piss in random places and I hate it. But like I said, 10 minutes. I can do it. I hope. Let's watch it. I expected that.
Oh my God! Look at the time!
The bags! Just grab the bag.
There's no time. Are you kidding me? No time!
What? Oh, to Noah's Ark! Goodbye, unicorns. Oh, and dragons didn't get there in time.
Come on, it's not that big a boat.
Oh my, and minotaurs. That's why we don't have these animals, because Noah didn't wait more.
Man, game over! You know what?
Yeah, that was like shit.
This sucks.
You guys are gonna drown, but we're a mermaid and a merman. We can swim.
So, you told him the wrong time on purpose?
Yep. God hates freaks.
That doesn't sound like God. Then why did you let the pixie fairies on board?
Pixie fairies.
I did?
Wait, why do they need to be on a boat? Can they just fly? Like dragons. Draenol? No, don't laugh! Don't laugh!
Brad, I'm blogging.
In Korea, you could get a good blogging for $5 American.
What? What does it mean?
I just took your picture with my phone.
Oh, it really captures my metrosexuality.
Okay, who just text messaged me that I'm a douchebag?
So hey, please remember, try not to be such a douchebag. Thanks for listening.
I will, thank you. Don't be a douchebag.
What can I tell you? I mean, it's bad.
Mrs.
What?
Kelly, who's eating my carrots? Oh dear.
This has a love story. It's hard to follow.
What about Thanksgiving?
That's coming from the carrot patch.
Oh yeah, what car?
Ho ho ho, carrot stew, and princess too.
You Princess Brittany?
I will fight you. No, I
My daddy says I love you with his belt.
Mrs. Valley, Miss McValley, Dan made a
I'm starting to feel depression watching this. Oh, what? Did you see that? That guy went into the church with priest. He fell on the animals. Vin Diesel!
You're the guys to see about entering a race.
Not just any race.
I want.
What kind of race?
You gotta pay if you want to play. I haven't met the man yet that I think can handle this race.
I don't scare.
What kind of race is that? I saw guy with bike. Oh, Wario! I saw guy on a.
trouble, which he always does.
Uh-oh. David Hasselhoff from, I don't know, I can't remember him. And Luigi! Everyone's here. Best race ever. It's the best race ever. Everyone important is racing. Tacos! Dude.
Michael, wait. I can only use my turbo boost once per episode.
Well, it's first time. Oh no. Batman. Why did cops stop Batman?
Gee williger zimmity jippity doo, Batman. Those policemen are pretty rude.
This'll fool them Duke boys.
Detour, Bo.
Oh,
You killed them.
I got
Net and take down those guys.
But you said those cops are a backbone of society.
Retract the line. Retract the line.
Oh shit. So is Vin Diesel gonna win? What was that?
it's a time to use the brute touch.
Tortoise Shell, no?
Do it, you magnificent stereotypical bastard.
Very italiano.
The blue tortoise shell is Mario Kart Race's ultimate.
Thank you,
weapon.
Mario,
He
thank you.
magically finds the lead car in the race.
I
and
knew
he
it.
Takes it up.
He's gonna eat it.
You're more man than me, Headless Punch.
Headless
Oh, he won.
As the winner, you receive this gift basket
Just put it on his
from
neck.
Omaha Steaks.
Woo!
I'm in awe of Headless Punch. He's very attractive. Headless Pouch.
Headless Pouch.
I like everything about being Bert.
Oh, that's Burt Reynolds?
Being Bert.
You will have to step back just a few feet. Print. Lunch.
Okay, this was third episode of Robot Chicken, and my favorite part, obviously, it was the race. Obviously, race was my favorite part. There was a lot of race. It took like 1/3 of the episode, and we had everyone on this race: Mario, Luigi, David Hasselhoff, Vin Diesel, Dukes of Hazzard, and somebody else. I can't remember. But yeah, okay, so overall episode wasn't that funny, but when the race came and it was all fixed. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. I'll continue, right? Should I? What do you think? I'll probably will. So yeah, thank you for watching, and guys, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.